It's your boy Loren The Barber, and I'm back with another episode of the Unpacking. You know how I call it, unboxing. Today we have a special unboxing, unpacking, because if you're a barber, then you know that it was inculcated in us that Andis is the best clippers. You know, so they gave us Andis everything. Andis Masters, Andis Outliners, everything was Andis. You know, and I veered away from that. Nonetheless, I can't deny that the Masters is always a necessity as a barber, and it makes it even more special because now we have the cordless Masters. And I mean, cordless everything. That's what we believe in. So we have the cordless Andis Professional Master Cordless Lithium Ion Clipper. Yes! They are in the house, in the building. Yes, yes, yes. Let me get a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. Alright? Yeah. They in the building. And these babies, look at here. I paid good for these. You're going to pay good for these, people. If you ain't paid good for no other clippers, you're going to pay good for these. I bought them off of Amazon. They were $250 and some change. And like I always stress, get the warranty. I paid $33 for the warranty. It's a 3-year warranty. It's worth it. It's worth it. Definitely when you're spending this type of money. So get that. Also get that Amazon Prime. Get it. You can get it next day if you send it to a locker. I got an Amazon Hub locker. I suggest that as well. So we're going to get right to it. It's wrapped in plastic. We're going to go ahead and take the plastic off first. It make it feel real special when it has plastic on top of it. I can't even lie to you. Yeah, I paid $250 something. Give me my plastic, give me the box, give me everything. Alright? So we have a little, well, we're gonna read this. We're gonna read this. I read the front of it. Now we're gonna read the back of it. We have Andis Professional Master Cordless Lithium Ion Clipper. We have the lithium ion battery, delivers over 90 minutes of run time, charges in 1 hour, powerful high-speed motor featuring constant speed technology, won't drag or stall, carbon steel clipper blade adjusts from 000, triple out for barber terms, to 1, cord or cordless operation with premium charging stand. Alright, so kit contents, we have the charging adapter and premium charging stand, we have the blade oil in there as well. We have the premium adjustable blade, carbon steel clipper adjusts from 000 to 1. I just read that, but as we go down, it shows pictures of the contents and repeats the words. We have what else here? It's a rotary motor. Rotary motor is good for all hair types. It's best for dry hair. You can use it with wet hair as well. When I went to the Las Vegas Barber Expo, my guy Success Addict at Success Addict. Shout out to my guy. Follow him on Instagram. He was the first to introduce these master clippers, and he was telling us that he used it on wet hair all the time. So shout out to him. Performance, control, and speed. They hold these high for performance and control and speed. Alright, so let's get in here. Let's get in there. Yeah. Alright. Getting the tape off the side. Looky here. This is how the box opens up. This is how the box opens up. There we go. Come on. Give me some. Oh, you know what? I was missing one. Yeah, I know y'all looking at me because I got my tank top on, but look here, it's hot. It's the summertime right now. And y'all probably like, he got the muscles, he couldn't even open this box up. But guess what? Hey, sometimes the simple stuff confuse these old tough guys. You hear me? So take it there. That's how it opened up. And look here, man, everything wrapped in plastic. Give me all that. My $250, give me all that. I want everything wrapped in plastic. I got the stand wrapped in plastic. We have the clippers wrapped in plastic, good thick plastic. Shouts out for that. Shout out for that. So let's get right to it. We're gonna unpack the stand. a good trophy stand. It's good and solid. It feels good. Good and solid like a trophy stand. So let's look at it. We have the Andis. They even have the Andis metal naming plate on there like it's a trophy. Alright, so we have that. You can see the part where you put the clipper down in there to attach, and this is obviously where you put the power cord in there to charge up the stand. Got the rubber bottom so that it'll grip wherever you sit it there, so your clippers won't fall off of wherever you sit it on your back bar, more than likely. Alright, so we have the clipper. Let's see what it feels like. They feel good. They feel solid like the Andis Masters, but they feel light. They feel light. They feel solid. You feel the metal casing as you're using the Masters, but they definitely feel light. I can tell the difference. We have the blade protector, always necessary for traveling barbers. You don't want to break these teeth on here. You know, that's there. We know about that. If you have Masters, you know about that. All right, they look just like the Masters. They look just like the Masters. They did a good job on that. We have the front. We have the side view. Long comb on there. I love that. That's why I love these for fading, because they have the long comb. All right, so have the back just showing the model number and everything. And we have this part here. This is just a difference from the original Masters. We have the plastic clip on here, which houses the part where you put the charger in. Okay, so this is how you're gonna sit it. You're gonna sit it right directly on that part on the stand. So that's what we're looking like there, and we can actually stand it just like this. So this is how it's gonna sit. This is how it's gonna sit on there. All right. So let's sit this over here, and now let's get inside the rest of the box. Okay. So as we open this, they have the important documents enclosed. If you want to read the instructions, if you you know, these are the instructions. You know, I don't shy away from instructions, being a professional for 19 years. Nonetheless, I would probably think that a rookie, if you're new in school or just starting, read the instructions. Get them out the way. You know, later on, once you know some clippers, you pretty much know some clippers. But always read the instructions first if you're new to this game. You want to master everything. Alright, so now we have another Andis box inside the box. Let's see what's in here. Alright, so that's the box. Just Andis everywhere. Just all black, sleek, with the Andis logo. Let's see what it entails. Alright, we have the classic Andis oil, as we all know about. We have and we just have the charging cord. That's the rest of the contents in the box. So, classic, if you have any other Andis charging units, it looks the same as any other charging unit. I have the Andis Envies, I have the Andis Slimline Pros, and the charger looks the same. The difference is that it looks longer. It's longer. This part looks the same. Let me put it like this. This part here, the adapter part, looks the same. The cord looks different. The cord is wide, and this is long. It has some feet on here. I see it. Alright, so I'm going to unwrap this so you guys can see how long the cord is. This cord has some feet on it. I mean, I'm thankful. I'm thankful because you don't want them to fall. You don't want anything to fall, so you need a little length. But you don't want the cord in your way either. So you have to work that out. This part is thick. The part right that supports the port or the plug that goes inside the stand. So let you see that there. Yeah, it's pretty wide. So you know it takes a lot to charge these, a lot of power to charge these. So Alright, so, and this goes into, let me put these down. Put these down. I have to handle these with care. So, here's the stand. As I showed you before, this is the part in the back where the charger goes into. So, you stick this right in there. Stick this right in there. And you'll obviously put the charger into the wall. And then once you charge this up, let me see. Actually, I have a plug over here too. So, I plug the port in. Now I sit this on the stand. Okay, let's see if it's a light or anything. Is it a light anywhere? Well, doesn't seem as if a light comes on here, but maybe it's the plug over here. Well, nonetheless, that's how it sits. That's how everything operates. If it's a light on there, you guys are gonna see it when I do an example cut with these. So I'm gonna do a clipper review after I do a cut. I'll probably do tutorial of a haircut. So coming soon. So here we go. This is the Andis Masters, and it's your boy Loren the Barber. Another unpacking. Make sure you follow all of my social media sites. Everything is Loren the Barber. That's on Instagram is Loren the Barber _. But Snapchat, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, all of those platforms, they're all Loren the Barber. And obviously YouTube. Now, make sure you like this video. Make sure you share this video. Make sure you comment on this video. And push the bell icon so you get all of my notifications. Alright, I'm out.